Dear learners, today, the focus of my presentation is computer applications in education. Let us try to understand the role of computer applications in education. Computer applications in education encompass a broad range of technologies and software tools designed to enhance the teaching and learning experience. The integration of computers in education has transformed traditional teaching methods and opened up new possibilities for interactive and personalized learning. Computer applications in education have revolutionized the learning landscape, providing tools and resources that enhance engagement, accessibility, and personalization. As technology continues to evolve, its role in education will likely expand, offering new possibilities for innovative and effective teaching and learning experiences. Here are various ways in which computer applications are utilized in education. 1. Interactive learning platforms. Learning management systems (LMS) platforms facilitate the organization and delivery of educational content. Teachers can create and share resources, assignments, quizzes, and announcements. Students can access learning materials, submit assignments, and engage in discussions. Virtual learning environments (VLEs) provide a virtual space where students and teachers can interact. They typically include features such as forums, chat rooms, and collaborative tools, fostering communication and collaboration among learners. 2. Digital content creation and distribution. Digital textbooks and e-books. Traditional textbooks are being replaced or supplemented by digital versions, allowing for interactive elements, multimedia content, and easy updates. E-books enhance accessibility and reduce the need for physical resources. Educational software. Various educational software applications cater to specific subjects and skills. For example, software for mathematics, language learning, science simulations, and programming help students grasp concepts in an interactive and engaging manner. 3. Online courses and distance learning. Massive open online courses, MOOCs provide access to high-quality educational content from institutions and educators worldwide. They offer flexibility in learning schedules and are accessible to a global audience. Webinars and virtual classes. Webinar platforms and virtual classrooms enable real-time interaction between teachers and students. These tools facilitate live lectures, discussions, and collaborative activities, bridging geographical distances. 4. Educational games and simulations. Gamification. Educational games and gamified applications make learning more enjoyable and interactive. They incorporate elements of play to engage students in problem solving, critical thinking, and skill development. Simulations and virtual labs. Simulations provide virtual environments for students to experiment and explore concepts in subjects like science, mathematics, and engineering. Virtual labs offer hands-on experiences without the need for physical equipment. 5. Adaptive learning systems. Personalized learning platforms. Adaptive learning systems use algorithms to tailor educational content to individual students based on their learning preferences, pace, and performance. This approach ensures that each student receives content suited to their needs. Intelligent tutoring systems. These systems provide personalized feedback and guidance to students, adapting the learning path based on individual strengths and weaknesses. 6. Collaborative tools and communication platforms. Video conferencing. Video conferencing tools facilitate virtual meetings, allowing teachers and students to connect in real time for discussions, lectures, and collaborative projects. Collaborative document editing. Platforms that enable collaborative document editing, such as Google Workspace, allow multiple users to work on a document simultaneously, enhancing group projects and peer collaboration. 7. Assessment and evaluation tools. Online assessment platforms. Computer applications enable the creation and administration of online quizzes, exams, and assessments. They provide immediate feedback, track student progress, and streamline the grading process. Learning analytics. Learning analytics tools analyze data related to student performance and engagement. This information helps educators make data-driven decisions to improve instructional strategies and interventions. 8. Teacher professional development. Online courses for teachers. Teachers can engage in online courses to enhance their professional development. These courses cover pedagogical strategies, technology integration, and subject-specific content. Collaboration platforms for educators. Online platforms allow educators to share resources, exchange ideas, and collaborate with colleagues globally, fostering a professional learning community. 9. Augmented and virtual reality. AR/VR applications. Augmented and virtual reality technologies offer immersive learning experiences. Virtual field trips, 3D models, and simulations enhance understanding and engagement in various subjects. 10. Administration and educational management. School management software. Computer applications assist in managing administrative tasks such as student enrollment, attendance tracking, grading, and communication with parents. Data analysis tools. Educational institutions use data analysis tools to evaluate performance metrics, assess the effectiveness of teaching methods, and make informed decisions regarding resource allocation. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokin Bilal.